Sophie. Sophie's making paella today. Oh, she has ingredients. What is that? Chicken stock. And then she has prepared bell pepper and turmeric. Then what is this here?
Glutinous rice.
Sticky rice, gluten rice. And then she has here garlic and red onions. And then over here is some mushrooms, champignons. And then over here, what is that? Squid. Cleaned, fresh squid. And then over here, marinated chicken breast with a little cayenne and also some paprika. And then we have here freshy shrimpy, cleaned and deveined. And then over here, some peas. Okay, and then we start cooking. What are you doing now, Sophia?
I'm putting olive oil.
Olive oil, how much? Just a little bit there?
Yeah.
Okay, and then?
Wait until it gets hot.
Oh, hot? Okay. And then what is the next?
I will put the garlic and...
Yeah, you can put it in now. Ah, you're sauteing it?
Yes.
Very good. And then mommy's giving us all the ingredients. The next thing is chicken. I make it translucent. Make it a little more oil here. Okay, and then so it's a little translucent. Our master chef making paella in a wok. It's a Chinese paella. That's okay. Okay, now you can add the chicken. There you go. Yeah, I moved that. And then what's the next, Mommy? What's the next? This one?
The bell pepper and...
Oh, the bell pepper. Very good. And the turmeric, huh?
Yeah.
Looks already so colorful and delicious. Yeah. Is it a high flame or low flame? High. I would leave it on high. Yeah, it looks nice. Okay, and what's the next, Mommy?
Chicken stock.
Already? The whole thing?
Yeah.
How much is that chicken stuff? That's like 2 cups?
Yeah.
2 cups of chicken stuff. Okay, Sophia, pour it in. It's hot?
Wait lang. It's hot,
Wait.
Dito na naman. Should I add it now?
Here. Can you pour that in there? It's hot. Oh. This is like, it's becoming a soup.
Let it simmer for 20 minutes.
20 minutes. We don't have much time.
Yeah,
We don't have so much time, 20 minutes.
Na this one.
Right now?
Yeah.
Okay, now comes the rice. Gluten rice. There you go. Very good. Okay. Do you just let it sit and simmer, or do you need to stir it all the time?
No, it's like when you cook rice.
Oh, okay. Very good. I pause. Okay, Sophie. What's the next one? Oh, look at this. It's getting there already. Wow. You adding the mushrooms now?
Yes.
Okay, good. Oh, like that? Just pour it in, baby. Yeah. Very good. So it's getting thick already. Look. Wow, that goes fast, huh? Okay.
Only.
Yeah. Just lemon zest, and then later on when we serve, we put a little lemon juice before serving. So a little lemon zest. Okay. Very good. Uh-huh. And then what's next?
The green peas.
The peas. Oh, okay. Oh, look at that. Peas. Nice. Sophia is making paella. And then she's gonna move to Barcelona. And she's gonna cook for Messi. FC Barcelona. Just joke lang. Can we add this now, the seafood?
Like.
Huh?
Yes.
Oh, very good. Squid. You got it at the market, the fish market?
Yes.
Uh-huh. And how about this also, huh? We add that also now? Oh, very good. Shrimpy. Uh-huh. So, Sophia, looking good. Mm-hmm. And then you let it simmer for how long then?
10 minutes.
10 minutes? Okay. Okay, Sophia, and then you leave it open, or did you put a cover on there?
You will put the cover.
Oh, okay. And then what? You let it on low heat?
Yeah, 10 minutes.
10 minutes approximately?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Sophie, look. Finished? No. No, more.
No, God, Sophia.
Oh, I'm getting hungry.
No.
Yeah, like I said, we before serving we use a little lemon. So bon appetito, I guess, huh?